Hello everybody and happy Friday. Welcome back to the Sal Pitera channel. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. First, I want to touch on the direction that the channel is going to be going. Those of you who know me and have been watching my videos know that I put a lot of travel videos up, specifically on cruise ships. I also put up drone footage and pretty much anything else that I find interesting and I think that you might find interesting. Well, today's no exception. We're going to put up a video of something that happened to my son and I aboard a Carnival cruise ship that kind of broke my heart. Those of you who know me, I travel on Carnival an awful lot and find them to be part of my family. In fact, Carnival even bought our business to make it part of the Carnival family a few years back. And I'm really fond of the brand. But like I said, something happened this last December, really broke my heart with Carnival, almost got kicked off the ship, and I'll tell you all about it in just a few minutes. But before we begin, I do want to go over with you the future of our channel. If you've watched our videos, you know that I put up everything from drone videos to travel videos. Heck, I even put a video up on how to make meatballs. Put up just about anything I think that you, my viewers, might find interesting. Well, starting today, we're going to do a lot more videos. We're going to try and do one every other day, so if you like what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button down below. And we're going to put up videos that are going to be not only travel related, but we're also going to try and touch on current events of the day. Everything from politics to celebrity news to just about anything I can think of. And of course, we are going to stick with our travel videos. Our next cruise is going to be on the brand new Carnival Horizon coming up in July, and we will put up a full travel video for that, letting you know all about the ship. We're planning on taking a lot of footage if they still let us travel after watching this video, and we will put up a complete video log of that trip as well. So, please, once again, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And here is the video we took back on the Carnival Vista in December. I apologize for the audio quality, but as you'll see as you watch the video, you will understand why we were hesitant to bring out a better camera and a better microphone. What's up, YouTubers? So, I wanted to make this video from the beautiful Carnival Vista down here in the Caribbean Sea. And I have to tell you, most of you know that I am really pro Carnival. I've been traveling on Carnival Cruise Lines for a long time, but this trip really broke my heart. And here's why. In today's day and age, being 2017 going to 2018, everybody in the world has a camera, a video camera or a camera they keep in their back pocket. Well, my camera, slightly bigger. In fact, it comes in a case about this big. Also have a drone I brought with me on this cruise. Not for use on board the ship, for use in the ports of call. Well, on our first night of the cruise, before we pulled out of port, just after dinner, I got back to my cabin and security officers were waiting for me and my son. Let me back up. A few days before the cruise, I did something that I normally don't do. I joined the Facebook page for this particular cruise. Well, on that Facebook page, I asked if anybody wanted to help us film, since we have a boom operator, a camera person, and me. And a lot of people are interested in filmmaking. Almost immediately, I get a response back from the person who created that Facebook page for this cruise, demanding that I ensure them that they're not going to be anywhere on the video because their privacy is at stake, or they were going to kick me out of the group, which, by the way, she did. Well, getting on board, security came to my camera and demanded to know if I had hidden cameras on board because this person from the Facebook page called Carnival Cruise Lines and was afraid of their security because they might be on somebody's camera. We spent about 20 minutes with security in my cabin where they were between me and getting out of my cabin, where I was assured that if I filmed on this ship, I would be asked to leave the ship in a foreign port of call to find my own way home. It broke my heart, and to be honest with you, I was a little shuddered by the experience. When we were there, I was a little afraid, I guess it would be the word, that me and my son were going to get kicked off the ship somewhere outside of our own country for nothing more than sharing our experience with you, my YouTube audience. So, bottom line, they left. I called them back to my cabin about a half hour later, again, before we left the port of Miami, and let them know that I would rather get off the ship while still in Miami. If there was going to be any issue of allegations from this girl, if I had my cell phone out or whatever, claiming that I was filming her. I was told they would let me know before we set sail. Then they came back again, the chief of security for the whole ship, and he let me know that security was a deep issue on board the ship, and they requested that I don't film anywhere on board. but that they wouldn't just take a person's word for it, that if I was accused, I would have to prove it by showing them my footage if I did take any film. So reluctantly, I agreed not to take my drone into port or my cameras out anywhere on board the cruise ship. Then, in my last port of call, Aruba, 5 days into the cruise, I saw that security chief and I asked him if I could film at night at 4 o'clock in the morning when nobody's around. It took them 2 days to get back to me. Then finally they got approval from Miami, their corporate office, to let me film this early in the morning when nobody's around. The best part is, as I was creating this footage at 5 o'clock in the morning now, I was swarmed by 3 security officers telling me I was not allowed to film. It was another rigmarole. They had to go and call the security chief, probably get him out of bed, to make sure that I had permission to film. Bottom line, it's 2017. Come on, people. Everybody has a camera. That's my rant. Still love cruising, still love Carnival Cruise Lines, but way to drop the ball on this one, Carnival. Make a good customer feel like an outlaw. Welcome back, everybody, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Want to know your comments on that as well down below. My feeling is everybody has a camera nowadays. The only difference between mine and yours is going to be really the size of the camera. But I'd love to know what you think. Please make sure you comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are giving away some free Olive Garden gift cards, as well as a free cruise. You'll find a link for that right up there. And then right down here, you'll find links to some of our other videos as well.